Welcome to Direct RC. I'm Zach, and these are the Nexx Racing Reservoir Shocks for the Arrma Grom. Nexx Racing has done it again, providing the public with the ultimate bashing shock upgrade for Arrma Grom series. Nexx Racing Reservoir Shocks have a fully functioning reservoir with a realistic divider piston that includes a set screw at the bottom of the secondary piston for adjusting that shock rebound. Designed for maximum travel distance, these aluminum-bodied big bore shocks with nylon bottom rod ends have an extended travel length of 58 millimeters. Threaded shock bodies allow for quick preload adjustment while bashing at the park and on the track. When it comes to rebuilding these no-leak oil shocks, they come with an easy access bleeder valve that allows you to rebuild with ease. The Nexx Racing Reservoir Shocks come in 3 different colors, your choice of red, black, and blue, and come pre-filled and ready to bash. While we were at the skate park, we went ahead and installed the Nexx Racing Reservoir Shocks. They went in with ease. Only having to remove 2 screws per shock, we were able to have them installed in less than 5 minutes. Out of the box, the Typhon Grom displays noticeable chassis slap, even on those small jumps and drops shown here. Installing these Nexx Racing Reservoir Shocks immediately without any adjustments, you could see and feel the difference in control and how planted the Grom was. Once we did a few quick preload adjustments, we noticed even more control and performance right where we wanted it. We were even able to dial out the chassis slap on those small jumps. Available at directrc.com for only $39.98. Remember, you can get free shipping on orders of $100 or more anywhere into the US. And don't forget, you can find these shocks and other awesome products at directrc.com. Direct RC is your one-stop shop for everything surface RC. Thank you for joining me. This is Zach, and I'll see you next time bashing at the park.